My biggest win as a result of using Excel University was learning new tools to do repetitive work. To do the data analytics that I require in my job. I'm Robin Lee. I'm based in Maryland. I work for 14 West Administration Services, which is a shared service for a conglomerate of publishers. And my job title is currently tax technologist. I'm responsible for the tax technology used in our company's tax department. I've been using Excel for a very long time. And I have a basic understanding of the basic functions, and it seemed like I was getting the job done. 90% of my time is using Excel. And I know that it has advanced uses, but because of the demands of my particular job, I don't necessarily have the time to develop some of those skill sets. I wasn't looking for any additional opportunities to tell you the truth, but I got a better understanding of the power of pivot tables, the VLOOKUP functions that, I use the basic VLOOKUP functions. I learned some additional tools from Jeff. And also, I didn't realize the sum if function was as powerful as it was. I liked that I could start and stop my lesson and was at my pace and when I was available to take the classes. I know I could do that on YouTube. I know I could do that probably if I try to Google search, but these were things that I wasn't aware of, so they were building blocks. So they were organized in such a way that it was building on previous knowledge. So you start out at 101, then you go to 201, and that built on, some of the things that you learned in 101. That's good to be able to have that building block activity. I do a lot of VLOOKUPs. There were tools that he showed me doing VLOOKUP that I can utilize now that I didn't before. I mean, I've done thousands of VLOOKUPs before, but using it in combination with some of the add if statements or the sum if statements, trying to build it out a little bit more effectively should help me as I analyze these data points. So. If you are a person who has to do a lot of analytic work, I mean, it's not just about adding and subtracting numbers. If you find yourself having to do the same type of analytics for, essentially the same type of data, then you may want to learn how to do it more effectively. It's at your convenience. It's not, always during your busy time. So just to have another tool in your tool chest is always good.